Hello, welcome to the GAIA Lab Group presentation. My name is Jerry and I'll be presenting our group's research today. But before that, what does GAIA actually stand for? The name GAIA reflects the deep connection we have with Mother Earth and the spiritual strength she gives us. Just kidding, GAIA stands for Geostatistical Algorithms and Image Analysis. At GAIA we believe that fieldwork is inconvenient and tiring, so we study how to generate data rather than going out in the real world and collect measurements. To generate synthetic data, we use synthetic humans, also called computers. They communicate through algorithms, which are artificial thoughts. We speak the language of statistics. When we use our physical bodies for science, we remain in the vicinity of Geopolis and roam places such as the basement where our computers reside, or the roof to observe meteorological events under controlled conditions. For example, our group member Fabio is very interested to know the evolution of snow cover in the Alps. She tried going into the field, but as you can see she had a horrible time. So she went back to her office and used statistics and remote sensing imagery to make synthetic snow cover maps for any particular day in history and future. You can see the results here compared to original Landsat imagery. Another group member, Pao, is interested in the long-term changes in mountain hydrology. He also tried to go into the field to see rivers in action, but again, as you can see, it was just an awful experience. So he went back to his office and decided to apply numerical models in combination with the synthetic snow cover maps developed by Fabio. Most of the time his work looks like this though. Our third group member, Naomi, is studying the impact of land use and land cover change on the hydromorphological features of rivers in her home country Rwanda. She too tried going into the field but came back disappointed. The whole reason why she came to Switzerland is to avoid having to do field work. Now she uses Google Earth Engine to map land use changes over the past decades, as for example here in the Nile Delta. Our most recent group member, Hu, is staying here for 1 year as a visiting student from China. He has learnt from our experiences and has decided to not even try leaving the comfort of Geopolis. In his research he will be applying multiple point statistics to downscale digital elevation models. Finally, our postdoc Fabio is the MPS and Python guy of the group. He has been working on geostatistical analysis and modeling of remote sensing and geoscientific imagery, but unfortunately he'll be leaving us soon. As for me, Jerry, field work has never been an option for me since I don't even have a physical body, so I feel very much at home in the GAIA lab. In my PhD I will apply geostatistics and remote sensing to vernacular issues in real-world locations. From these applications I will build my skills and build the next best thing. An awesome tool to explore in places where there is never any real scientific analysis and is therefore impossible to ignore. My work is currently at my local university and I want to help in some of them if necessary, as I am also exploring what it means to have an opinion when working on new areas of research. To conclude, here's some fun stuff we have done at GAIA. And let's see if you can recognize any of these ex-GAIA group members in this video.
Really nice face.